stimulus from earlier measures, which is the one which starts from Garib Kalyan. This does not include any of those 4 days before today. Today is the 5th day. So these 5 tranches are not yet shown here. Revenue lost due to tax concessions, which were announced as of March 22nd, is about 7,800 crores. I'm not getting into the details now. Then you have Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package, which is at 1.70,000 crores. And then the health sector announcement, which was 15,000 crores, totaling to 1,92,800 crores. I can see a lot of our friends sitting up, getting to the edge of their seats. We are giving you all the details, not to worry. Okay, so this is before we even started talking about the 5 tranches. This is before the Prime Minister even spoke about a stimulus package. And this actually leads to all those poor need food, poor should not be hungry, poor should have at least some money in hand, poor should be given medical help, they should be treated for preventing COVID, they should be attended to, they should have, if they are staying in camps, food to be given and so on. And also for those small businesses who can't do compliance and so on. So this is part of the stimulus, although it came before Prime Minister's speech. So Nathan, you're all right with me going over to the next few slides? All of you are all right? Okay. We now go tranche by tranche. The next slide will show you, when I say part 1, it means tranche 1. Okay? Emergency working capital facility for businesses, including the MSMEs, 3 lakh crores, where we are giving 100% guarantee. Subordinate debt for stressed MSMEs, again, Government of India guarantee, 20,000 crores. Funds of funds for MSME, that is up to 50,000 crore. EPF support for business and workers, 2,800 crores. Reduction in EPF rates, 6,750 crores. Special liquidity scheme for NBFCs, HFCs, Housing Finance Corporations, and microfinance institutions, 30,000 crores. Partial credit guarantee scheme, which is the second version because we had announced one earlier, for liabilities. The earlier one looked at asset side. This one looks at the liability side. And earlier it was probably guaranteed 10%. This time it is 20% guarantee for the first loss. So NBFC, HFC and MFIs, 45,000 crores. Liquidity injections for DISCOMs, 90,000 crore. Reduction in TDS and TCS rates, down by 25%, 50,000 crores. So all this takes the first day announcements total to 5,94,550 crores. Can we move to the second? Second tranche, free food grain supply to migrant workers for 2 months, which I did repeat now. First tranche per PM Garib Kalyan, but the second one, 3,500 crores. Interest subvention, which I announced for the Mudra Sishu loans, 1,500 crores. Special credit facility to street vendors. 50 lakh street vendors were to benefit out of it. Each would get up to 10,000 rupees. I had announced it earlier. That takes 5,000 crores. The CLSS Middle Income Group Housing Program, 70,000 crores. Additional emergency working capital, which we said will benefit small and marginal farmers, 30,000 crores. Then I spoke of Kisan Credit Card and additional credit, which we want to extend to 2.5 crore farmers. That sixth item, which refers to KCC, was to benefit 2.5 crore small farmers, 2 lakh crores. So the second day's announcement, second tranche, totals to 3,10,000 crores. I move to the third tranche. Micro food enterprises. I get very mixed up with the food micro enterprises, micro food enterprises. I'm comfortable calling them micro food enterprises. Micro food enterprises which were to benefit 2 lakh units, meaning 2 lakh small entrepreneurs who are running their food processing centers can all benefit, and that would mean 10,000 crores. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, 20,000 crores. Top to total, if you remember, tomatoes, onions, and potatoes had quite a lot of assistance rent under Operation Green. We said this is being extended to the next 6 months, and now that will be extended to all others. That is why total. So what was pertaining to tomatoes, onions, and potatoes now is going to include a whole gamut of vegetables and greens and fruits. Operation Green gets 500 crores. Agri-infrastructure fund, the farm gate infrastructure which I've spoken about, 1 lakh crores. Animal husbandry infrastructure development, which we spoke about yesterday also, dairy development, this is 15,000 crores. Promotion of herbal cultivation, I did speak to you all elaborately about it, 4,000 crores. A small but a very essential from the point of view of agri-life. Agri-life is now desperately in need of pollination agents. Beekeeping initiative, 500 crores. So, Tranche 3, the third set of announcements which were made after Prime Minister's self-reliant India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, the third announcement, totals to 1,50,000 crores. I put together 4 and 5. The fourth tranche and the fifth tranche are going to be shown together. The viability gap funding for social infrastructure, 8,100 crores. The additional Manrega, which I've announced today, 40,000 crores over and above the BE allocated 61,000 crores. So 40,000 crores for additional Manrega totals for 48,100 crores. So now can we go to the total of all the 5 plus the one earlier announcement put together? 20 lakhs 97,053 crores. 20 lakhs and 97,053 crores. Of which the categories are clearly available. Part 1 means Tranche 1, Part 2 is Tranche 2, Tranche 3, Tranche 4 and 5 put together. Earlier measures including PM Garib Kalyan Yojana, which was shown earlier also. And here I bring in the actual utilized monies from the RBI's measures, which is 8,01,603. They may have announced over 9 lakhs plus. RBI may have announced 9 lakh plus, but actually utilized, because we're talking about liquidity going to the people. 8 lakhs 1,603 is what is the actual figure we've taken. So the total, as Pradhan Mantri ji had announced, is 20 lakhs for the stimulus.